Hi, I'm Alistair Graham. I'm originally from the UK, but I've been working in Sydney for 18 years now. Where I heard about the course was online and actually through Andrea's social media. Actually, I've been following Andrea for a while, and I know Andrea. What I was looking to get out of it was really just an understanding of comprehensive, approach and a systematic approach to tooth wear, and to really get some of the more, I suppose, complex protocols explained in a little bit of a better way, and to actually come away with a much more systematic approach to treating those complex cases. What I've gained over the last 2 days really is a greater understanding really of all things related to tooth wear, the concepts, the diagnosis. And really what I'm wanting to take away is really what I've got is actually a greater understanding and a lot of things that I can apply first thing Monday morning in my clinic and really help some of these patients with tooth wear. This course I'd really recommend for really all general practitioners. This is something we see all day, every day in our clinics, and having a greater understanding of it is really going to help all of us deliver better care to our patients.